Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the unity of the Bindian dance by the municipality of Kabayan.
Asan kayo? O dyan kayong kosto. Tap na magkayo kuno mga uwiak ni katsalag kayo man binbindian. Saman lesson tayo. Microphone, please. Microphone. Tanda.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Morning pa lang kailangan. Bindian dance is one of the dances of the Ibaloy tribe in Benguet, which originated in Kabayan, particularly at Imbusi. The first Ibaloy settlement found between the barangays of Gusaran and Pakso. It is a mass dance since it is participated by as many dancers present during the occasion. Bindian came from the local term Ibaloy or Paday, which means tired. So Bindian means dance until you get tired. It is a fatigue dance in barefoot. In the past, this is a ritual and a ceremonial dance to celebrate a successful headhunting. However, it is already modified to celebrate in honor a deity for abundant harvest. As described by Moss in his book Napaloy Law and Ritual in 1920, Bindian dance is the most pleasing of all Ibaloy dances. Not only the feet but hands and body are moved in unison. Each ring moves in contrasting direction, which makes it unique with any other dances. Today, the Bindian dance position relate the story of the native Intoman Palay or red rice farming and production from field preparation up to the harvesting of crop. It is performed in unity dance, victory dance, and thanksgiving dance. It is dance to entertain local and foreign tourists and the community people as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now witness the Kabayan Bindian dance.
makantu iradan makantu imaeta salasai kuyang banaw wan kuipan kalasai ku Jisenong gasliboso Jinong gasli adalo Kalasay kuyak ikik Wan kuipan kalasay ku Jisenong gasli boso Jinong gasli adalo para jori ibadoy siya bagi bingke yang pinjak ke sayong kasat-kasat ke on diri ditong ketoy matutubayang ke say mamatengang ke ya itungo-tungo tayo pingitan bagyon ilit tayo
The position panga symbolizes the horns of the carabao, the animal that plows and harrows the rice fields for the Kintuman Palay production. The position Dinpaban shows the planting season for the Kintuman Palay seedlings. Binikiwikan. Binikiwikan came from the root word bikibig or wikiwik, meaning to move the shoulders in and out. The position demonstrates that the seedling or plants are very happy of their fast growth and bountiful, or a sign of bountiful harvest. Kinitangan. position signals that it is time to rest and relax once in a while. The Kintuman Palay are in their fruiting stage, showing signs of economic progress. Wow! Salabasaw position illustrates the flowering stage of the Kintuman Palay. The speed. The movement position demonstrates the time at which one leaf of the palay is getting separated from the stem, which means that the plant is nearing its maturity stage. Inustungan. This symbolizes that the panicle of the palay is heavy laden with grains and are in abundance. Inudian. The movement is a strategy to confuse and counterpart any untoward events or misfortunes that may happen and to create harmony, peace, and order during the planting harvesting season. Wow! Sinimpayan. The position announces to the community to prepare for the harvest time of the Kintuman crop. This symbolizes also the uniform blend of the Kintuman Palay, heavily laden with grains, a sign of good harvest. Kinabkuchan. The position announces the expected high production of the harvest of the palay and thanksgiving or thanking Kabunyan for his love and blessings. Inubaya.
This position means that due to the rich harvest, all the planters' hayabang or basket will be heavily full, which they will carry home for storage. Usually one person may carry 3 to 4 buttocks of palay, wherein one buttock consists of 4 bundles of palay depending on her strength. Thank you so much. The Bindian dance of Kabayan. A round of applause.
Ama pa siya, kaya kang taniyan.
Once again, thank you so much to